I came from a family of teachers. I adopted my parents' brilliant brains and followed their passion, inspiring the people. I graduated as cum laude with a degree on Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in music, arts, physical education, and health, and a licensed professional teacher in practice. As Mr. Pangasinan Online 2021, I'll assist the youth of today's generation, filtering the complexities of learning, enlightening them about the current social issues regarding physical and mental health, inspiring them to never let anyone dar their sparkles and become the person they've never imagined. Choices, chances, changes. You must make a choice to take a chance, or your life will never change.
So I love when you call unexpected, 'cause I hate when the moment's expected. So I'ma care for you, you.
His heart was a stone, but then his hands wrong. I turned him to gold and told him
We cannot change the world in one day, but one day we can change the world. Join me in my journey towards the future of today's generation. Mabuhay! I'm Frederick Villanueva, 21, representing Umingan, Pangasinan.